Bettina Heinzelschmidt. I'm Project Manager at Bayern International. In cooperation with the Bavarian Ministry of Economic Affairs, we support Bavarian companies with their internationalization. Bavaria is a state of Germany and located in the south of the country, directly in the heart of Europe. It is also Germany's most successful state and a worldwide known high-tech location. We also establish contact with Bavarian companies and provide you with information about Bavaria as business location. This year we participate with 12 Bavarian companies in Smart Factory and Automation World, not only in the joint pavilion, but also with the business trip which we organize alongside the show.